Hey there, traders. This is Chris Keane from a Keane Point of View. We're going to take a look at a couple of the majors and watch the price action here. We had major, not major, yeah, well, I guess major would be the word. We had big moves last night that continued to overflow from after the FOMC statement in New York. Basically, the FOMC said they were looking at things and they were considering that maybe basically the picture is a little bit rosier than people had anticipated. People took this to maybe be an indication that quantitative easing could be taken off the table slowly but gradually, maybe by the end, starting at the end of the year. So this led to a sell-off in most of the, I guess basically it led to dollar strength across the board, and now we have a lot of pairs of significant support and resistance levels. Most specifically is the Great Britain Pound USD. You can see the pair spiked below this support zone that had capped the price action basically over 2 years, and the pair broke through, basically chopped up all the slices and went down stops, towards the 150, 145 level before rebounding, and now it's sitting back in the middle of the zone. We're going to have to see where the price action takes us. If we get a break back above the top of the zone, we could easily cycle up towards 154 before we find a little resistance. Now if we break below this, that's a different story, and we can see a measured move lower. The first target would be the 149.50 level. So just watching this bull bear line and let the markets tell us what to do right there in that pair. Next pair that's in an interesting situation is New Zealand USD. Just because you can see this pair has been riding this ascending trend line higher since the midpoint of last summer, and the cross is now basically running into a resistance zone basically between 85 and 85.62. This is going to be a strong area. We're going to see if we get a break of this area would definitely lead to a continued move higher, and we could see that it would be testing significant highs going back multiple years at the 85.62 level, and then above that we can go all the way up towards the 88.40 level. Now, but if we get a break of this trend line, which looks that the pair is giving a severe look over at, checking it up head to toe, we can see if we get a break of that one, we could easily see it push right back down towards 81.50, and it would negate this trend line, and we could basically be watching the bottom of this zone between 81.50 and 81 and 81 and 80.50 as supports for the pair's decline lower. Let's take a look at the Aussie USD just because it's in an interesting spot. It's sitting right here at 102.25. This level has held twice, but it has also held twice on the top side of between 103.50 and 103.75. We're in a pretty tight range here over the last few weeks of trading, so we're just going to watch the price action at the bottom and the top of the range. This will give us the chances to enter long and short until the range breaks. Playing the range could be the best play at the moment, but I would be careful actually heading into tonight, because there is some chatter coming out of Australia in early trading, Asian trading. The Euro USD, you can see that the pair has broken lower. It broke below the significant support zone at 133. 132.50, and now that the pair has pushed lower, you can see that it is basically sitting about mid-range of the new range between 132.50 and 131.40. This range is capped by the 0.382 fib, a larger move from the move from 150 down to basically the 120 levels. So we're going to be watching this price action here, basically once it moves up to the top or the bottom of the range. And actually, it wouldn't be so much 132.50. If we get to move up to the 133, that would cap my interest for possibility of maybe going short the pair, looking for a continued push lower, but I'd have to watch the price action. I wouldn't just jump in and out of principle. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Go ahead and you can check out the blog for any further updates on the individual currency pairs, and you can also check out our education that we now offer with we go into details about the Keane trading plan that we use for swing and scalping techniques on a daily basis. Give it a look, everybody. All right, once again, keep your trades keen and play it safe.